Hello friends, welcome back in my another lecture in the series of lectures in probability and statistics. Today I am going to talk about the repeated ranks. You know, the repeated ranks. Actually, this lecture is in continuation or extension to the lecture number 23. Lecture 23, where we had talked about the rank correlation coefficient. What we have done? We had done in that lecture, if xi, yi, these are the ranks of mm, uh, ith individuals in two characteristics A and V, and no two individuals are bracketed equal, means x and y are not getting repeated. These x as well as values of y are different. That means x and y takes values from 1 to n. Then Spearman's formula for rank correlation coefficient was given like this, that we have done in lecture number 23. Rho is equal to 1 minus 6 times summation di square divided by n into n square minus 1, where summation di is equal to 0. That is mean of x is equal to mean of y, right? Because this relation summation di is equal to 0, this serve as check in the calculation. Means if summation di is equal to 0, we are able to apply this formula. However, if any two or more individuals are bracketed equal, that is bracketed equal means if more than one items are with same values are with the same values in the series. Same values in the series means series of x as well as series of y, means x and y are values of x and y are getting repeated. Then the formula 1, let us put this to be number 1. Then formula 1 breaks down so in this case each of the variable x y does not assume values from 1 to up to n. That is, mean of x will be not equal to mean of y, that is summation di will not equal to 0. That's why this formula breaks down, right? So what we have to do in this case, first of all arrange the given data in descending order, मीन्स घटते क्रम में इसको हमने लिखना है डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. देन कॉमन रैंक्स are given to the repeated items. This common rank is the average of of the ranks which these items would have assumed if they were slightly different from each other, and the next item will get the rank next to the ranks already assumed. As a result of this, correction is to be made. That is, we have to add factor, that is this one, m square minus 1 divided by 12 to summation d square, right? Hence the revised rank correlation coefficient is given as rho equal to 1 minus 6 upon n square minus 1 bracket start summation d square plus m square minus 1 divided by 12 bracket close, where m is the number of times an item getting repeated in both the series of x and y. Note, this correction is to be added. This correction factor is to be added for each repeated value in both x and y series. So must remember, we will use this formula for that is revised rank correlation coefficient in a case where ranks of x and y are getting repeated, means the ranks of x and y are not different. So now I'm going to solve some problems of this type. The first one is this one. Obtain the rank correlation coefficient for the following data. Values of x are given and corresponding values of y are also given in this way. Solution. Here the given data in descending order can be given as, first of all, values of x. राइट द वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर, घटते क्रम में इसको मैंने लिखना है. तो हाईएस्ट इज 80, देन इज 75, टू टाइम यू कैन सी हियर 75 75, then there is 68, then 64, how many time, 3 time, 64 64 64, then is 55, then is 50, then is 40. 40 is the minimum value in X series. Similarly, by series, in by series the highest value is 81, then 70, then 68 is 2 time, then 62, then 60, 58, 50, 48, and the minimum value in by series is 45. Right, so first of all give them, I'm going to give these the as usual rank 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You can see here these two are getting repeated, 64 getting repeated 3 times. Alright, similarly 64 68 also getting repeated 2 times. As usual rank are 2 and 3, but what will we give the rank these two 75, that is average of 2 and 3. 2 and 3 average is 5 by 2. Alright, similarly the average of 5 6 7, 5 plus 6 plus 7 average, this will be 18 by 3, means this is 6 and this is 2.5. Similarly average of 3 and 4, 3 and 4 average is 7 by 2, means 3.5. Alright, so for underline, now the rank for underline for these two is 2.5 2.5, for these 3 is 6 6 6, for these two is 3.5 3.5, the average ranks. Alright, now calculation for rank correlation coefficient. X values are given to be 68, 64, 75, 50, 64, 80, 75, 40, 55, 64. Similarly, values of by are 62, 58, 68, 45, 81, 60, 68, 48, 50, 70. Ranks X, let us put this is small x. Rank Y, let us put this is small y. Rank X, 68 rank, you can see this is 4. Similarly 64 rank is average of these, that is 6. So in this way continue 4 6, this is rank of 75 is 2.5. next is rank of 50 is 9, next is 6, next is 1, next is 2.5, this is 10. Rank of 40, rank of 55 is 8, and rank of 64 is again 6. Similarly ranks of y, you can see here, first of all there is 62 rank is 5, next is 7, next is 3.5, 45 rank is 10, this is 1, this is 6, this is 3.5, rank of 48 is 9, rank of 50 is 8, and rank of 70 is 2. Alright, so now D is the difference between rank of X and rank of Y, means X minus Y. This is minus 1, this is also minus 1, 5, minus 5, this is minus 1, 1, 0, this is 4. D square X minus Y, corresponding difference is this one. D square means this is 1, 1, 1, 1, 25, 25, 1, 1, 0, 16. Now we want here summation D. Summation D means sum of all these values. Sum of all these values clearly 0. And next is summation D square. So summation D square means sum of all these values. That is clearly 72. This is sum of all these values horizontally. right? Given n is equal to 10. Also total correction for x, total correction for x, first is this, for 75 this is getting repeated two times, so 2 4 minus 1 divided by 12. This is for 75. For 75 m is 2 because 75 is getting repeated two times. Next is for 64. For 64 m is 3 because 64 is getting repeated 3 times. So this is 3, 9 minus 1 divided by 12. Sum of these two, this is half, this is 2. So this will be 5 by 2. We know this factor. The correction factor is this one, m square minus 1 divided by 12. Right. This is total correction for x. And total correction for y. Correction for by, here repeated value is only 68. For 68 m is equal to 2 because 68 is getting repeated 2 times. So this is 2, 4 minus 1 divided by 12 because of this formula, and this will come out to be half. Right. Therefore y revised rank correlation coefficient formula, we have rho, this is equal to 1 minus 6 upon n square minus 1 bracket start. This is first of all summation d square plus correction for x plus correction for by bracket close. This is 1 minus 6, n is 10, this is 10, 100 minus 1 99, summation d square, you can see here this is 72. Total correction for x is 5 by 2 and total correction for y is 1 by 2, and which on simplification this is 6, this will come out to be 75, this is 990, and which further simplification, this is 18.33 and this is further 0.54, and which is true because rank correlation coefficient always lies in this range, So this is the rank correlation coefficient in case ranks x and y are getting repeated. Let's take one more example. This is example number 2. Obtain the rank correlation coefficient for this data. Values of x are given and values of y are also given. So solution, here given data in descending order can be given as values of x descending order करते हैं, highest value is 10, next is 9, next is 8, 8, 7, 7, 6, 6, you can see easily here, and next is 5, next is 4. Similarly, values of y in descending order, highest is 10, 2 times, 10, 10, 8, 8, 8, 8 is 3 times, 7 is 2 times, 6 is also 2 times, and minimum value in y series is 5. Now first of all, as usual, rank will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Similarly here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's see which are getting repeated. 8 2 times, 7 2 times, 6 2 times, 10 2 times here, 8 3 times, 7 2 times, 6 2 times. First of all, we will find the average rank for these underlined numbers. You can see here 8 8, average rank will be 3 plus 4, this will be 7 by 2, Next is 7 7, average rank will be 5 plus 6 divided by 2, 11 by 2. Similarly, 7 8 6 6, average rank is 7 plus 8 divided by 2, 15 by 2. And these are the three getting repeated number. Similarly here 10, average rank is 1 plus 2, this is 3 by 2. Similarly 8, average rank is 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 3, 12 by 3, which is 4. And average rank for 7 6 7 7, this is 6 plus 7 divided by 2, 13 by 2. And average rank for 6 6, this is 8 plus 9 divided by 2, 17 divided by 2. So these are the average ranks for the underlying numbers. Now calculations. Now calculation for rank correlation coefficient. X, values of x are given to be 6 5 8 8 7 6 10 4 9 7. And values of y, these are 8 7 7 10 5 8 10 6 8 6. Ranks x, let us suppose this is small x. Rank y, let us suppose this is small y. Rank x, you can see first of all there is number 6. 6 rank is average of 7 and 8. 7 and 8 average is 15 by 2 means 7.5. So this is 7.5. Similarly you can check here 5 rank is 9. So in this way 7.5 9, next is 3.5 3.5. You can easily see for underline number, see these ranks, average ranks. 7, this is 5.5, this is 7.5. 10 rank is 1 4 10 9 2. And 7 rank is 5.5. 5 means 5 and 6 का average, 5 and 6 average आपका 11 by 2 means 5.5. this way. Similarly rank of 8, rank of 8 is 354, average this is 4. So in this way this is 6.5, this is 6.5, this is 1.5. Rank of 5 is 10, this is 4. Rank of 10 is 1.5, because this is average of 1 and 2, first and second rank. 6 rank is 8 and 9. 8 and 9 average is 17 by 2, this is 18.5, sorry 8.5. This is 4 and 6 is 8 and 9, this is 8.5. Right, for must remember for underline the average ranks are these. Right, so next is difference between x and y. Rank of x and this minus this is 3.5, this is 2.5, this is minus 3, this is 2. Corresponding minus I am doing, this is 4 minus 4.5, this is 3.5, this is minus 0.5, this is 1.5, this is minus 2, this minus this is minus 3. And this is d square, 3.5 square, this is 12.25. 2.5 square, this is 6.25. 9 4, 4.5 square, this is 20.25. 3.5 square, 12.25. this is 0.25. this is 2.25. this is 4, this is 9. Right, we need here summation d, and we need here summation d square. Summation d means sum of all these values. If you add all of these numbers, minus 3 sorry 3.5 2.5, if you add all of these numbers, this will definitely become 0. You can see or check easily. And summation d square means sum of all these number, adding all of these numbers horizontally. So this is 79.5. all right, given n is given to be 10. Right, these are 10 numbers. Now total correction for total correction for x is equal to x. For x there will be 3 corrections. For 8 m is 2, this will be 2 4 minus 1 divided by 12. Similarly for 7, getting repeated 2 times, 2 4 minus 1 divided by 12. Next is for 6, also getting repeated 2 times, 2 4 minus 1 divided by 12, and this will come out to be 3 by 2, half half half. And for 7 m is 2, for 6 m is again 2. Alright, so we are using that correction formula. Also total correction for y, there will be 4 correction for y. First for 10, 10 is getting repeated 2 times, 2 4 minus 1 divided by 12. For 10 m is 2. Next is 8 getting repeated 3 times, this is 3 9 minus 1 divided by 12. For 8 m is equal to 3. 7 getting repeated 2 times, 2 4 minus 1 divided by 12. 6 getting repeated 2 times, 2 4 minus 1 divided by 12. For 7 m is equal to 2. For 6 m is equal to 2. If we add all of these 4 factors, this will come out to be 7 by 2. All right, this so these are the total correction for x, and this is the total correction for y. Now therefore y revised rank correlation coefficient formula, we have rho is equal to 1 minus 6 upon n square minus 1 bracket start summation d square plus correction for x plus correction for y bracket close. So this is 1 minus 6, this is 10, this is 99. Summation d square you can see here, this is 79.5. Total correction for x is 3 by 2, already evaluated. Total correction for y is 7 by 2, already evaluated. This is 10 by 2, 5. We add 5, this is 84.5. So this will come out with 1 minus 6, 84.5 divided by 990, and this further on simplification, this is 161 divided by 330, and which in decimal form is 0.49. So which is true, as we know. All right, so this is all about the rank correlation coefficient for the repeated ranks. Thank you.